Hey, it's Mike Nobody. How you doing? Um, it's kind of raining out, so I'm not going to go out anywhere. Uh, I slept like all fucking day yesterday. Uh, Friday, I went to see Death Cat at the Fireside Inn and had a good time. Got a lot of free stickers and CDs from them. Um, so Tom gave me some extra Death Cat movie stickers. Harry Cloud gave me one of his CDs. I was wanting to see them again before they left Michigan, but I guess it's just not going to happen. But I had a good time. Tom was introducing me around with friends and everything. Yeah, I'm probably just going to spend the rest of the day here cleaning the apartment, doing dishes, maybe write to, I still have a couple letters to respond to, so I'll probably write letters and I went out to some dollar stores and thrift stores, garage sales, all this last week, and I got a fuck ton of DVDs and Blu-rays. Yeah, these are all the DVDs and Blu-rays that I got all this week. So it's like you figure I didn't spend more than $1 or two on most of them, so you know, I guess they're pretty good deals. So yeah, a few of these I've seen before, more than a few. I think I also got these more recently online. Well, the Deadpool one I got by accident. Well, I thought it was just a DVD, but it said DVD and Blu-ray because typically, like, Blu-rays have more extras than the DVDs do. And so I thought, oh, well, since it's got both of them, maybe both of them have the same content, but they don't. So I ended up having to get a Blu-ray player so I could play that. But yeah, that's what I got. Zootopia's not bad. I didn't like. I mean, I like that. Um, a couple other movies I've gotten recently, like The Shield Around the K. That's about K Records. A couple of DVDs from my uh, aunt from the garage sale a couple weeks ago. Replaced my Vegas and Space DV, which got sold a couple years ago. Got a documentary about Weird Paul, and a bunch. I think a lot of these are, yeah, these are some of the more recent ones. And it's like a lot of the rest of these are survivors of moving and having my shit liquidated and had to sell a lot of my stuff off. Yeah, as you can see, I got a collection of Ranma One Half tapes. I kind of want to replace all those with DVDs too if I can find them. Music wise, I kind of feel like this is turning into like Chinese democracy, where it's like it's gonna take like forever for me to get anything done. I uh, I keep putting shit off and procrastinating, and I know I shouldn't do that, but I don't know. It's just like I haven't really been in much of a mood to play music. I had like kimchi ramen for lunch this afternoon. I got my Marshall amp back from repairs. I should probably use it a little more and jam out some tunes and stuff and try to see what I can come up with. I feel kind of guilty that a lot of my friends, like Tom Zarzecki from Death Cat, he's like cranking stuff out left and right. Got movies coming out, comic books. Um, he's got new CDs and tapes coming out all the time. Weird Paul, I think he's got a TV show in Pittsburgh now. But yeah, I kind of feel bad that I keep procrastinating, putting shit off. The weather is shit today, so I ain't going out nowhere. Screw that. I'll just stay in, do some housework.